Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and all the support. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace throttle body on Audi A4 B6, the 1.8 turbo. We've been doing quite a bit of work on that thing, and I want to show you quick how to do the throttle body in case you need to clean it or you need to remove it and replace it. So this is it, guys, right here. This is the throttle body. Okay, so we'll need to get that clamp loose. This is for the intake hose. So go ahead and remove it. Okay, just get it loose so we can slide it over the hose. Okay, we still need a little bit more. And you'll see what else we need to do. Okay, perfect. It's out of there now. We don't have the headlights. We've been doing some engine replacements here and stuff like that. So, but in your case, it should be exactly the same procedure. Okay, we'll put the hose down there. Make sure you don't drop anything in the hose. Make sure nothing falls or dust or anything gets in. Okay, because that's part of the intake and it will go inside your engine. So now this is the wire right here, and this is broken, guys. Somebody removed it the wrong way before. We can see the tap is broken, unfortunately. You'll be able to reach it from right here and we'll be able to remove it. Okay, if you go from right here now with a small screwdriver, okay, well, maybe let me get a little bit smaller, we'll be able to lift it up. Check all the other ones as well. People don't know how to remove those tabs and they always break the wire tabs, which is terrible because you're almost unable to remove it after that. Okay, so when we went with the screwdriver, okay, we just lifted up the middle piece, okay, and it went. Okay, this is the headlight. Okay, that's how it's supposed to function. It's just like this one. You're supposed to have the one on the back, and when you push it towards the back, you can see that piece is moving and releasing the wire. Next, we'll need a 6 millimeter Allen wrench. Or 6 is too big. We'll need probably a 5 for this one. Okay, and we'll need to remove a few bolts. Okay, one there. You can see how nasty the engine is. PCV hose needs to be replaced, the breather hose. So that's what we'll be doing as well. Okay, after the third bolt, you want to hold the throttle body, because it's going to drop. Okay guys, and this is the throttle body itself, which is in need of cleaning. As you can see, we just wanted to inspect it to make sure that everything is good here. So you can buy the sprays to clean those. So that will be, guys, that's how you guys remove it. You replace it just in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.